Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your Facebook account. So very easy process. Right now we know WhatsApp have dark mode, Instagram have dark mode, and we know Facebook also have dark mode. So how you can enable it on your Facebook application? So in this video I will show you. Just open your Facebook app, go here, click on three dot option, then go scroll down and click on settings. After that you will get dark mode here, just click on that. Now you need to on, off or set to system. So we are going to enable it. Just you can see I have my mobile have already dark mode, so it directly take. Now you can turn on this option to enable dark mode on your Facebook account. So you can see when I turned on, my Facebook is now in dark mode. So it is very simple step guys, no big issue with that. You can see now my Facebook in dark mode. With this method you can easily enable dark mode on your Facebook account. Okay, so you will get this option in settings and dark mode option you will get. So if you like this video, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching guys. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.